Alright, in the previous video, I showed you how to make clothing toggles and properly attach them to your avatar. So in this one, I'll show you how to make glowing emissions, which are basically glowing parts of your avatar that can be visually seen in VR chat. As you can see here, there's nothing glowing on the avatar just yet. But let's say we want to make the eyes glow. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and download Krita. The logo should look a little something like this. It's basically just an extra free painting software, also used to edit PNG images. I'll link the download below. Then go to GitHub and download the Poiyomi shaders. Download the latest one. I'll also link this one down below for you guys to go check out. Make sure you actually drop and import the Unity package of Poiyomi. Alright, so first things first. Click on your avatar and then click on it again. And then you should see the eyes material right here. Specifically, I'm using the Nardo for this, but yours may be different for the avatar that you're using. If your Poiyomi version is set to 7.3, I recommend just clicking on it again, setting Poiyomi tune, just so you have the latest one installed. Now this avatar already has the emissions preset up, but I'm going to do it manually for you so that you actually know how to do it. If there's a body part that you want to use that doesn't have an emission. So under the eyes material, you are going to want to go to Special FX, then you'll see Emission 0. There should be two options, Emission Mask and Emission Map. We're going to create an emission map. So under Color and Normals, drop that down, click on the texture, which is right here, and then right click, show in Explorer. And the one that's highlighted is the one that you want to use. So right click, open with, and then Krita if you do have it installed. Or you could use any other painting program, it doesn't really matter. So open up Krita. Once you're in Krita, you'll see the texture of the eyes here. So we want the blue part of the eyes to glow. All we have to do is make sure that our entire background is black. Anything that you don't want to glow, you have to turn black. So those two are completely dark now. So now it'll only make these parts glow. Go to File, go to Save As, and you're going to save it in the same folder, but I want you to rename it. You can rename it to whatever you want, but I'm going to personally rename it Emission. Emission. And then press Save. And OK. Then just give it 1 second, go back into Unity, and you'll see you'll have eye emission right there. So click on your avatar, click on it again, scroll down to emission 0, and you want to drag and drop eye emission into the emission map. And as you can see, if you use the slider here, emission strength, you can choose how bright you want your eyes to be. So right now it was set at about 0.8. But if you want them to be really bright, you can go much higher. But it's suggested that you put it at 1, just so you can see the glow. But I'll put it at about maybe, I'm going to go around 12. And then, yeah, that's an emission right there. So that emission's set. So now we can go and test it in our world. We can go and update it. Build and publish, wait for that. After it's done uploading, you can go into VR chat and you can test it out. Go to uploaded, go to your avatar, wait for it. And now you can see that the eyes are actually glowing. Alright, I know he looks really weird right now, but I just wanted to give you a closer look. You can see the shine from the eyes. Unlike before, there was no shine at all. See? Very big difference. So yeah, that's how you create emissions. It's the same thing if you want to make the body glow. Say you want the blue fur glowing. Like the eyes, all you would really need to do is turn all the other colors off or turn them black using the fill tool, and then just leave these blue textures, the ones that you want to glow. And yeah, that should be it. Thank you guys.